your package has arrived. Let's open the box and see everything that comes with your Cuvex. Inside the package we find the Cuvex box carefully protected. Opening it up, we see all the included accessories. A sticker, a thank you card with a QR code that takes you directly to the user manual, the device itself, securely wrapped in a protective bag, and the USB-C power cable. Finally, inside the shipping box we have 3 NFC cards, essential for using your Cuvex. Great news! You now have your Cuvex, a cold storage encryption device designed to securely protect and recover your seed phrases. In addition to other powerful features waiting to be explored. Let's set it up together. The first step is to download the Cuvex app. This app is essential for initializing and managing your device. Simply go to your smartphone's app store, search for Cuvex and download it. Now remove and keep the 2 security seals. One is attached to the box and the other is on the device itself. These seals contain unique codes that ensure the authenticity of your Cuvex and will be required for the next step. With the seals in hand, open the app and navigate to the Shipment Traceability Validation section. Enter the external seal code from the box in the first field and the internal seal code from the device in the second field. This process confirms that your Cuvex arrived sealed and untampered with. Next, it's time to install the firmware. Connect your Cuvex to a power source using the USB-C cable. Then, in the app, start the firmware update process. Your device will display a 6-digit code on the screen, which you'll need to enter in the app to confirm the installation. On Android, the process of requesting native permissions to pair with a device can be more detailed. You may need to accept specific permissions to ensure the connection is established correctly. If you don't see the pairing notifications directly on the screen, try looking for them in the notification center. This can be helpful, especially when permissions or alerts don't appear immediately on the main screen. It's important to note that, for maximum security, Cuvex is shipped without firmware. Follow the instructions in the app to install the latest version and get your device fully set up. Now that your Cuvex is configured, it's ready to securely protect your seed phrases. Welcome to the new era of digital security.